Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Starlights is probably one of the most enchanting ways to transform any room into a celestial wonderland, creating a mesmerizing atmosphere perfect for relaxation, parties, or simply adding a touch of magic to your everyday living space, making them a popular choice for bedrooms, game rooms, and even home theater seeking that immersive, cosmic experience. Number 5. Twinkle Star 100 LED Star String Lights. Introducing the perfect lighting solution for your special moments. These beautiful star string lights are designed to bring a magical glow to any setting. They are ideal for both indoor and outdoor decorations. Specifically crafted for Ramadan, they create a sacred ambience. With 100 energy-saving, shatterproof LEDs, they are built to withstand 30 nights of celebration and more. Their waterproof design ensures reliability. Crafted with solid plastic material and powered by a safe adapter, these lights ensure durability. They operate at a low 30V and are UL 588 certified, providing peace of mind for your family. Need more sparkle? These lights are extendable. With male and female safe plugs, you can connect up to 10 light chains, reaching an impressive 344.5 feet and 1000 LEDs. Customize your atmosphere with 8 distinct lighting modes. From steady on to twinkling flash, they offer versatility to match any occasion, mood, or holiday celebration. These updated little star string lights are designed to save more energy than traditional options, extending their service life. Their IP44 waterproof wire and bulbs make them perfect for any indoor or outdoor decor. Whether it's Christmas, a wedding, a party, or just daily home decor, they are perfect. Use them to enhance bedrooms, pergolas, gardens, patios, and more, creating a festive touch everywhere. What we like. This product offers a classic string light experience with 100 LED stars. Its waterproof and extendable design makes it highly versatile for both indoor and outdoor use. If you're looking for traditional, festive lighting that can cover large areas and withstand the elements, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. M1 Light Star Projector Galaxy Light. This device combines colorful nebula clouds with green stars, creating a dynamic Milky Way effect. You can project it onto ceilings or walls, easily customizing your favorite scenes. It sets various moods, from soothing sleep to romantic decor or party fun. Featuring an upgraded high-definition lens, it covers up to 215 square feet with bright, vivid colors. Imagine instantly transforming your room into a calming universe with just a push of a button. It's perfect for relaxing after a long workday. You can easily control it using the M1 Light app or the included remote. Change lighting modes, adjust brightness and speed, or set timers. The app even allows for nebula speed adjustment. With its built-in speaker, you can enjoy your favorite music while watching the romantic starry sky. The timer function allows you to set its working time, ensuring a peaceful night's sleep. This versatile projector can be used as a ceiling projector for adults or a soothing night light for kids. It's also a unique decor piece for any room or party. It makes a wonderful Christmas or birthday present for family and friends. What we like. This projector creates a dynamic galaxy nebula and starry sky experience. With app and remote control, you can easily customize scenes and even play music through its built-in speaker. If you want to transform your room into a calming universe with interactive features and a musical ambience, this projector is perfect. What people say. Number 3. CHIGIH Smart Galaxy Projector. This projector instantly creates a stunning starry sky with 7 nebula colors and 16 million other hues. Using advanced RGB technology, it transforms any room into a dreamy galaxy escape, perfect for a romantic or relaxing atmosphere. It offers multiple smart controls for ultimate convenience. Beyond button control, you can connect it via Wi-Fi to Smart Life app, Amazon Alexa, or Google Home for hands-free operation. Designed for tranquility, it uses advanced noise reduction technology to operate silently. This ensures a quiet and wonderful night's sleep, creating a soothing bedtime environment for all ages. Take full control with the Smart Life app, setting it to turn on or off at any custom time. The app also allows remote adjustment of colors, brightness, and modes, perfect for saving energy or not disturbing sleeping kids. With its compact size, it fits anywhere without taking up valuable space. It's an ideal gift for family and friends on any special occasion, transforming any room into a magical space. What we like. This smart galaxy projector stands out with its voice control capabilities and stunning northern lights effect. Its noiseless operation ensures an undisturbed, tranquil environment. If you prefer hands-free control and a truly immersive, quiet aurora experience for relaxation or sleep, this is the one for you. What people say. Number 2. CHIGIH Starlight Headliner Kit Twinkle for Car and Home Theater. Imagine a breathtaking starry night, right inside your car or home. This kit brings that magical experience to life, creating a truly immersive and wonderful ambience. Crafted with 550 high-quality PMMA plastic fibers, it ensures safety and durability. These non-conductive, waterproof, and flexible cables promise a long-lasting, perfect color rendering experience. Featuring built-in RGBW LEDs and a twinkle function, it creates a realistic starry sky effect. In sound mode, it dances to the beat of your music, adding a romantic and unique touch to any setting. Control your Starlight experience effortlessly from your smartphone. Simply download the app and connect via Bluetooth to adjust colors, modes, speed, and brightness with ease. Whether it's for your car, home theater, bedroom, or even a restaurant, it adds a shining and wonderful touch. This versatile lighting solution enhances any environment, making it truly special. We stand by the quality of this product with a 2-year service guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied for any reason, we are committed to providing a satisfactory solution. What we like. This kit provides a realistic fiber optic starlight headliner for cars or home theaters. It features sound-activated twinkle effects and convenient Bluetooth app control. If you're looking to create a custom, immersive starry ceiling in your vehicle or a dedicated entertainment space, this kit offers a professional and dynamic solution. What people say. Number 1. FIREWORK Starlight Headliner Kit. Transform your space with this innovative Starlight kit. It offers 3 convenient ways to control your lighting experience. Use the Bluetooth app for an expanded palette of colors and dynamic modes. You can also manage it with the included remote or let the music guide its twinkle. Imagine your car or room bathed in a romantic, star-filled glow. This kit brings the beauty of the night sky directly to you. It's ideal for cars, living rooms, and bedrooms, enhancing everyday moments. Elevate special events like weddings and birthdays with its captivating display. Featuring high-quality, non-conductive, and waterproof fiber optics, this system ensures safety and a long lifespan. Just remember to keep its light engine in a dry environment. We stand by our product with fast service and a 2-year warranty. Should you encounter any issues, assistance is readily available. What we like. This fiber optic kit offers a romantic starry sky with music sync and twinkle effects. It provides versatile control options including Bluetooth app, remote, and music mode. If you want a high-quality, durable fiber optic system for both car and home, with enhanced music synchronization and multiple ways to manage the lighting, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points can be extracted. To extract points, please provide product reviews in the source JSON. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.